Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do auto transcription in DaVinci Resolve. So please note that this is only available to DaVinci Resolve paid version until now. So here I've got a video which I have recorded for one of my tutorials. So here, once I right click on that video, go down all the way, and here you see there is a menu called audio transcription. So from here you can just simply click on transcribe, clear transcribe, import from subtitle, or you also can check the speaker detection. So once you click on this transcribe button, that will come up with a page of the entire transcription. Depending on the file size, it can take a little bit of time, and then you can obviously check on that. And if you click on any particular word or sentence, that will refer to you in the video. So if there is anything wrong, you can always adjust it. But believe me, everyone is saying that their auto transcription is pretty good. So that's how you can simply do auto transcription using DaVinci Resolve audio transcription option here within the DaVinci Resolve if you have the paid version. So I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.